Look, I have no clue what I'm doing. I want to try to play a YouTube video and record a video at the same time, but I just don't know what I'm doing. So I'm gonna try to do a couple and see how I go. Hopefully it come out right. So here we go. The song is from Ed Sheeran. It says "Give Me Love." The best version has to be the studio version. I mean, it's just amazing the way he worked the loop pedal. You got to. Ed Sheeran, a legend. I tell you, I'm a big fan. Big fan. And here it goes. Give me love like hers, 'cause lately I ain't been waking up alone. Pink of the teardrops on my shirt, and told you I let them go. And you know I'll find my corner, and that tonight I'll call you after my blood is drowning in alcohol. Ooh, no, I just wanna hold you. Nah. Give a little time to me. Burn this down. We'll play hide and seek. The time is around, 'cause all I want is a taste of your lips alive. My. Ooh, give me love.